Lover, there will be another one who'll hover over you beneath the sun. Tomorrow, see the things that never